Today we are reading Nature Park.
It is a hot day. I think we can play ball at the park, said Mom. I can see the park, said Tom. Can you see the bee? Asked Mom. I see it. A bee lives in a hive. The hive is made of wax, said Tom. Can you see the spider? Asked Tom. I see it. A spider lives in a web. The web is made of silk, said Mom. Can you see the bird? Asked Mom. I see it. A bird lives in a nest. The nest is made of sticks, said Tom. Can you see the squirrel? Asked Mom. I see it. A squirrel lives in a nest. The nest is made of leaves, said Tom. Can you see the rabbit? Asked Tom. I see it. A rabbit lives in a burrow. The burrow is in the ground, but we cannot see it, said Mom. We did not play ball, said Mom. It was fun to see the animals' homes, said Tom. I had fun at the park, said Tom. I did too, said Mom.